This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing the Move by Bike shortboard rack on your Super 73. Please note these instructions will vary slightly from the standard instructions included in the package and should be carefully followed to ensure proper installation. The package will include a mounting assembly, 2 L-shaped bars, and 2 U-shaped bars. You will need a 3mm and a 5mm hex wrench to complete the steps outlined during installation. To start, we will need to adjust the mounting clamp orientation so it can be properly mounted to the back of your bike. Take your 5mm hex wrench and remove the 2 rear-facing mounted tube bolts from the mounting assembly. This will separate the clamping mechanism from the tube clamp assembly. Fully remove the tube bolts and clamping mechanism and set aside. Next, locate the 4 twin tube clamp bolts on the tube assembly and loosen them with your 5mm hex wrench so that the tubes can be removed from the tube clamps. Set the tubes aside for later reinstallation. We will now reinstall the mounting clamp to the tube clamp assembly in its new orientation. The underside of the mounting clamp has 3 threaded holes on each end of the clamp. Take the mounting clamp and rotate it 90 degrees from its previous orientation and align the 2 outside holes on one side of the clamp with each of the holes on the tube clamps. Reinstall the 2 tube bolts back through the tube clamp and into the mounting clamp and fasten tightly. You will now use the 5mm hex wrench to remove the 4 hex bolts from the top portion of the mounting clamp. Once removed, loosen the set screw with a 3mm hex wrench. Place the opened end of the clamp on the rear of the frame just behind the seat and then reinstall the top portion of the clamp and 4 hex bolts. Adjust the position of the assembly and tighten the 4 hex bolts in place. With the mounting assembly installed on the bike, you can now reinstall the tubes into the tube clamps. Make sure the hole in each tube is on the right side of the assembly before tightening the twin tube clamp bolts down. There will be some further adjustment of these bolts at the end. We are now ready to assemble the bars to be installed on the mount. Take each U-shaped lower bar and install them on the foam-covered end of the L-shaped upper bars. There are 5 settings that the pins can be set to, and it is recommended that you start out using the middle holes of each bar. Make sure the push-button pin on each bar locks in place. Now take each bar and align it with the line on the mounting tube and push into place until the push-button locks in place for each bar. You can now adjust the angle of each bar by loosening the twin tube clamp bolts, setting the desired angle, and then tightening the twin tube clamp bolts in place. At this point in time, you can also tighten the set screw on the clamp mount assembly with a 3mm hex wrench to prevent rotation of the mount. The assembly of the Move by Bike shortboard rack is now complete and you are ready to use it on your Super 73. If you run into any issues with installation of the surf rack, please contact Super 73 customer support by submitting a request at support.super73.com and a writer advocate will be happy to assist you.